Newcastle. I come on cow for now.
Energy.
Come on cow for now. Yeah. Now not even do I say when I sell any of your players. Like all those Gumerais, they don't come out to go or that. But if you watch the game today, it was very entertaining. Like we just come out for Wetin Man City and Bournemouth play. That was a very boring
match,
game.
Newcastle
Today is the match of the day.
Newcastle carry energy come.
Energy like Wissa and the Elanga run from minute 1 till when they come out them. They play ball. Even though with that small light touch we do for the now just ref one balance because that's they very light. You know
because Newcastle are the better team for
this game now.
Newcastle
Liverpool feel like and then be the Liverpool are the underdog.
Liverpool be the underdog
because Newcastle play them from minute 1 to when the game finish. Like Newcastle scouting directors they really tight because for you to come to Newcastle you must be very very fast and
energy.
Energy
was there, but
there is one thing I observed about this Newcastle team. You know, the time where we say they even get likes of Bruno, Tonali, and others, they play more of midfield football.
Yes,
but now when we say they don't to get midfield this thing, transition kind of play. See Wissa
drop for midfield, pick him. Elanga go make that
exactly.
Drop
Bounce and Elanga.
Then I say Wissa they play 9 or they play saying they also
come first nine.
Exactly. So they are pattern of play today.
Newcastle really, but if for what I thought for a preview, just like what I tell Liverpool fans say, it go really affect them as Salah come out. They say
Salah never get replacements up till now,
and they know they work towards.
They even work towards them
because that the crossings were supposed to come inside, and some crosses will still come inside for today match. Isak no really did it.
Like say Isak, the only once I see him that time where he miss ball where they laugh him.
You know, say I've been talking for preview. Talk say that Isak say pressure go there in body. Say in the play against in previous team. So
for fans where they watch
exactly, and maybe like say the pathways for good time. You grab. They been get small issue before in pathway something like that. So and the thing about for me, Newcastle actually dominated the game today in terms of attacking.
Yes, in terms of attacking. You mean the defending they were still and then their keeper was top notch today. Like
if not for that keeper, that game would have been decided in the first half.
Yes.
So now we will get the man of the match because the guy really
be like Szoboszlai, they even let that game
and the guy get energy.
Actually,
Wetin I got talk again based on Liverpool. They really also go need work for their attack on themselves.
If Liverpool carry hand, wetin they use play today, continue the league. They know they
not 12, like 12 or 15.
And if Newcastle carry hand like this, they pick up the top 4 or 5 they find.
If
because
no team fit contain them. Chelsea.
Even my own Manchester City, because the only person who fit help for their counter now, only Kusanov get that speed for my defense. But if any other now Lewis way Lewis now where Elanga go they run like that and you catch him, or maybe we just use Man as example. Sure, go they run. Elanga go they drag and go. In the other side, Barnes and Dalot. Now
you see one thing with all these Premier League teams, we say none of them
no team small.
Don't they write any of them off.
Manchester City.
When they sign, all of us they talk Tottenham. As of this afternoon now, they don't sign another person. They don't sign Mamouche on loan. So, but the ones who would expect to perform, not even they see Hull City yesterday. They go clear some people.
Like
some
club, they just display some club like that.
Exactly.
For Premier League, we really get small teams.
The club where Hull City win and then be underdog for the game.
Exactly.
But Liverpool.
Liverpool shall go try. Maybe they work on themselves.
Exactly.
From that Salah win. Maybe they know whether they go fit sign any player.
Yeah, we go fit replace them.
We go fit they work for
that. Even if you go replace them, full may just they cover that issue.
At least. I realize still a whole lot of work to do.
Yeah. So may it not really affect them this season because Liverpool are a very good team, Liverpool are a very good team.
Nobody like say they don't be good team actually,
but they get the quality, they get the player, they get the quality, but they get a lot of work.
Exactly.
So they go work on that.
Likes of their major players. I don't know whether I go talk saying a form where they drop. I've been adjust maybe the chemistry with the new players where they never.
No, I think that the chemistry.
See McAllister them, Gravenberch them, all of them. Their games today was not very impressive.
They grab. So even Gravenberch, you get that first goal where they scored. If Gravenberch take that shot away,
exactly.
Because and Isak, you know, say like Isak, the person where they like pounce on ball. If keeper vomit ball, you go
just
go
come
see
from
Isak for
nowhere,
the hand.
come-
So if say him play that shot, even if he no enter, keeper for vomit him. Isak will put on leg. Now he won't go do passing in front of, and for that, you know, if you do that kind of mistake with Newcastle, because once they pick the ball, they don't run.
They don't do 4
Nah.
day
They
on
don't
day
dey
on
run.
18.
And
Exactly.
as they don't go stop.
Counter attack is very dangerous.
And their wingers they very very fast.
Very fast.
Very
Especially
fast.
Elanga. That guy, no problem. But watch out how this season go take go. But
Sha, it's a very nice start to the
Yeah.
season. All I know
Nah.
is that this season go long.
This thing go long for everybody.
this is
It don't start with Man U already.
now tomorrow. Watch how Chelsea want take play Monday night football.
Come and watch the best team in the world play tomorrow by 8 p.m.
No, I think for the comment section.